Greetings, my dear kids. Welcome to today's English online class. Dear students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Today we will do essay. In English, we will do essay. Essay of myself. My self. Self. Myself. What is the spelling of essay? ESSAY. essay. It means आपको अपने बारे में you have to write 8 lines. You have to write 8 lines. That is your self introduction. जब आपको कोई अपना इंट्रो देने के लिए बोलते हैं, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन देना पड़ेगा, so you will use these lines to introduce yourself. अपने आप को introduce करने के लिए. So let us start with the first line. First line is your name you will write. My name is, you will write your name here. Okay. While writing your name, the first letter should be capital. Suppose your name is Neha. So you will write like this. Clear? So you will fill your name here. Okay. My name is Dash. Next is I am a girl oblique boy. Okay. Let us start from first one once again. First line is my, my, name, name, is, you will write down your name here. My name is Neha or my name is Arush, whatever. Okay. Means मेरा नाम ये है. Second line is I am a girl girl oblique boy boy. Okay. What you have to do? You have to select from both these. Okay. If you are girl, आप girl नहीं तो लिखेंगे I am a girl. Boy नहीं लिखना साथ में. If you are boy, then you will write I am a boy. Is this clear? Oblique means anyone. If you are girl, you will write this. If you are boy, you will write this. Okay. Next line is third line. I am 6 years old. Let us read the line. Third line. I am 6 years. What is the pronunciation? Years. 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 OLD. Old. I means मैं. I means मैं. I am 6 years old. It means मैं 6 साल का हूँ या 6 साल की हूँ. Okay. So I am 6 YEARS. Years. OLD. Old. I am 6 years old. Next line is I read in first class. Okay. I read in first class. Oh. Fourth line. I READ. Read. I and in first. First, this is in ordinal form you have to write. 1 and ST. What is this? First class. CLASS class. I read in first class. It means I means मैं. Read means पढ़ना. मैं कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ता हूँ या पढ़ती हूँ? फर्स्ट क्लास में. I read in first class. Okay. Our fifth line is I study at home public school. And at the end at the end of every line you have to put the full stop. Okay. Fifth line is I study at Om Public School. It means study means पढ़ना, read means also पढ़ना. I study, I-S-T-U-D-Y, study. A-T, at. O-N, Om. P-U-B-L-I-C, public. School. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. I study at Om Public School. It means मैं Om Public School में पढ़ता हूँ या पढ़ती हूँ. While writing the name of your school, Om Public School, you are writing na, O should be capital, public P should be capital, and in school S should be capital. These things should be taken care while writing. जब आप लिखेंगे बेटा तो आपको इन चीज़ों का बहुत ध्यान रखना. Okay. Now sixth line is my father's name is M.R. Mr. Dash means you will fill your father name. Okay. My father's name is Mr. Name. Suppose your father's name is Mohit. M-O-H-I-T. While writing your father's name, again you have to take care that first letter should be capital. ये बड़ा letter होना चाहिए first वाला. And जब भी आप अपने किसी भी आप मेल का नाम लिखते हैं, किसी भी जेंट्स का या आदमी का नाम जब भी होता है तो उसके आगे हमें क्या लगाना है? M.R. मिस्टर. ओके, ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. माई फादर्स नेम इज मिस्टर. अपने फादर का नेम लिखना है विथ कैपिटल लेटर. ओके. M.Y. माई, F-A-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? apostrophe S. N-A-M-E name. I-S is. M.R. Mr. And then you will fill your father's name and then you will put the full stop at the end. It means मेरे पिताजी का नाम या पापा का नाम ये है. Okay. Next line is now we will write the mother's name. My mother's name is Mrs. and at the end full stop. My mother's name is Mrs. Suppose your mother's name is Reena. So how you will write? R-E-E-N-A, Reena. First letter should be capital. Okay, बड़ा होना चाहिए, बाकी small. While writing you should be aware of these things. M-Y, my. M-O-T-H-E-R apostrophe S. Mother's. N-A-M-E name. I-S is. M-S Mrs. M-S stand for Mrs. And your mother name you will write and you will put full stop at the end. It means मेरी माता जी का या मेरी मम्मी का नाम, मम्मा का नाम ये है. Okay. These words should be added properly. Mr. in father's name and Miss in mother's name you have to add. Now eighth line is I respect my elders. I respect my elders. It means मैं जो है respect means आदर करना, सम्मान करना. Elders means अपने बड़ों का. मैं अपने बड़ों का सम्मान करता हूँ. I R-E-S-P-E-C-T respect. Respect. How to read? R-E-S P-E-C-T pect. Respect. M-Y my. ELDERS, elders, and you will put full stop. Elders means bade. Clear? I respect my elders. So now let us recall all these lines once again. First line is my name is dash. You will write down your name here. First letter should be capital while writing. Second line is I am a girl or boy. I am, suppose you are girl, you will write only girl. If you are boy, you will write only boy. Third line is I am 6 years old. ठीक है, मैं 6 years old हूँ. Fourth line is I read in first class. It means मैं read करता हूँ या करती हूँ first class में. Clear? Fifth line is I study at Om Public School. While writing the school name, the first letters should be capital. Om, O should be capital P. Public, P should be capital, and in school, S should be capital. बड़ा होना चाहिए. Sixth is my father's name is Mr. Dash. You will write your father's name here. While writing, first letter should be capital and all other letters should be small. Seventh line is my mother's name is Mrs. Dash. अपनी मम्मा का नेम लिखेंगे and first letter should be capital. ये ध्यान में रखना है सबको. And at the end, in every line you will put the full stop. Eighth line, I respect my elders. It means हमें जो है अपने बड़ों का respect means आदर या सम्मान करना चाहिए. So what is the homework for the day is, homework is in English to write and learn essay myself. ओके, आपको होमवर्क में क्या करना है, आपको ये लाइंस पहले राइट करनी है, फिर आपको ये लाइंस लिखने के बाद इनकी स्पेलिंग के साथ में आपको इसको लर्न करना है. ओके, you should know the proper spelling as well as the proper pronunciation of the words. So now you understood now what you have to do in the homework. Whole 8 lines you have to write, okay, in beautiful handwriting. After that you have to learn. Dear students, I hope you understood these lines and I hope you will write them in beautiful handwriting. You can take the help of your parents if you are having any doubt at home, or you can write in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.